kahit na sobrang late na tsaka lang po nagutom kayo, pasensya na po talaga. Sobrang thank you po talaga. Hindi ko ma-express kung gaano po masaya ngayon and ka-thankful sa inyo lahat. Lalo na po sa mga nandito ngayon, na natira dito ngayon, and even naman din yung mga pumunta kanina. Sobrang thank you po. Tsaka doon sa mga relatives namin, kaibigan na ang family namin, sobrang salamat po.
Thank you din, pero hindi na thank you na yun para feel nyo kung gaano kami ka-appreciate na nandito kayo ngayon naging part na itong celebrations. Thank you talaga sa lahat ng tulong sa mga barkada ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga tita at sa tito ko. Thank you talaga. And see you again next time. Thank you.
You know, friends, ang kasal daw of marriage ay parang paglalakbay. Marriage is a journey. There are no maps. There's only commitment to stay on the same path, to love, honor, and cherish each other every day. So to all of you, our dear friends, relatives, and caring sponsors, and to all of you who made this wonderful event happen, thank you so much for coming. You're all indeed God's blessings to Vic and Ras. Congratulations once again to Vic and Ras, and mabuhay ang mga kasal! I made you study ang nasib ceremonies. Naniniwala ko sa kasabihan na kapag ang katabi mo ay kilig-kilig, nakatitig sa akin yan. Thank you so much! May God bless us all! Thank you so much to Bonifacio Naval Station at sa ating small shop studio, thank you. At sa Attitude Sounds and Lights. Salamat sir ha! Thank you so much for jumping down. And to the staff of AEB Events Management, thank you so much to Nino Bonito, to Miss Mayan de Paula from the Golden Hilo, also known as Paula Estrada, Rose Baguio, thank you so much to Grace, salamat ha, at kay Marie, thank you so much to Marie, and to special to Miss Pet Ilaya,